Hey, let's go take a lap in a pace car. Well, we're gonna zip around, and boy, the G-forces are supposed to be more than you anticipate.
Yeah, that could be him.
It'll be me. But how'd you like to go for that ride before we hit the beach here at Daytona? Let's go for a lap on the high walls of Daytona International Speedway.
Here we go. All right. Have I been on the racetrack before?
Only on the tour van.
All right. This will be a little different than the tour van.
There's slicks on this car?
No.
Yeah?
No. Thanks for riding.
Thank you.
Hope you guys have a good rest of the day.
I'll give you a 5-star on Uber.
All right, cool, man. Thank you.
What was the name again?
Brian.
Brian. Welcome to Victory Lane. I finished our lap.
Back to the pit area.
How about a ride on Daytona Beach? Are you ready? We are almost to the coast. Daytona Beach, New Smyrna Beach are the only beaches in this area that you can actually drive on the beach. So
Jeepmobile.
Yes.
No.
Not at all.
I grew up in Tallahassee. This is her Jeep.
You all right?
Me, no.
I like the Jeep.
I'm Florida State. And I'm, by love, driving around in this Jeep.
Nothing wrong with that. Looks good.
Thank you.
I'm going to say it. Happy wife, miserable man.
All right.
Edit.
So, hey, go down to the 10-mile-an-hour side, turn right.
Is that a wedding?
This is Daytona Beach. They used to race on this beach and reach incredible speeds down this strip. That's why International Speedway is here in Daytona Beach. Now, the speed limit's 10 miles an hour. Gonna go slow, but this is beautiful Florida, and one of the few places in Florida where you can actually drive on the beach. Here, and the next beach down, which is New Smyrna, offers beach driving. Daytona has about a 6-mile stretch that you can drive down. So take your time, stop, pack a lunch, and enjoy the ride. Daytona Beach, Florida.
Jeep to Jeep. Hi.
Hey, tell me
Doing-
about your Jeep.
Well, it's a 2011. It's one of a kind.
Yeah,
It's a Call of Duty edition. So
Call of Duty.
Oh, nice.
here in the
Sweet.
state of Florida.
Are you from
No,
this
no,
area?
No, I'm not.
So you're out Jeep beaching?
Yeah,
We're,
I'm out here every day.
Really?
Just about, yeah.
Do you fish?
No, I don't fish.
Oh.
I watch the fishermen. I watch the fish are watching me.
Well, that's nice, nicely built. I like it.
Yeah, and it's the
Very nice.
best way to get out of here, which you know that, because nobody can bother you.
Yep.
You got your own piece of
Definitely.
land.
Well, that's cool. That's a nice looking Jeep. Guy's nice guy. Coming out here every day, watching the fishermen. What a incredibly gorgeous place to just hang out.
Ocean sound.
Ocean sound. I could fall asleep here with the sound of those waves. And listen to them waves.
South Sand area.
Got it?
I lived in Puerto Rico for a few years, and where I lived was 8 stories high, right across the street from the beach. So we had clear view. There was no building in front of where our building was. I'm telling you what, the ocean is beautiful, but when it's stormy, it's a scary thing to watch.
Especially third grade.
Yeah, especially when you're like 9 years old and you're watching the storms. It was scary, and at nighttime you hear the howling of the wind. So I remember one time there was a hurricane, I guess, coming by, and we tried to even keep our bedroom door closed because of the way our apartment was. There was glass windows in the front, and just in case it busted, we figured, oh, let's get into the bedroom. We couldn't even push the door closed. There was so much pressure from the wind coming in. We tried putting the beds against it. Everything would still move that door. So I love to watch the ocean, but I always tell Matthew, I don't think I want to live right next to it, though.
Me? I would love to live on it because I love watching storms.
I love watching the storms.
I
I
like
just don't like
watching the
being right
storms.
there in the middle of the ocean when it's
Yeah, a
happening.
hurricane buffeting the side of one of these high rises, probably not so much. But I love watching lightning and storms. And
Yeah, I like that
I love
too.
the wind and the rain. But right now, I see a Jeep in front of me. Focus again, focus. I don't even know how many miles we've been already.
I don't know.
This area is telling. Look at the crab. This area is telling people that this is four-wheel drive only because of the soft sand. Four-wheel drive vehicles, and the sand is soft in some places. So I'm actually in 4 high right now, and I feel sometimes a little bit of traction spinning, but I like it.
We used to have a restaurant right on the beach, and Singfield and Roy, the Lion guys, actually.
Seinfeld. That's
Lion-
Seinfeld is
Singfield,
the
Singfield
comedian.
and Roy. Used to like our hamburgers, and they would come and eat whenever they had shows that they were doing there. Some neat memories. Some neat memories.
Beautiful.
Look, it might stay up.
How do you make that?
Huh?
How do you make that? Like
Just water and sand.
just water and sand and art. Well, thanks for sharing your art with the world.
I'm glad you enjoy it.
Oh yeah. Nice. Very nice. Tell-
Yours too.
Thank you. Tell me about your Jeep. Insert duck here. That's good. I love your paint job. That's well done.
Did you do it yourself, or?
No, I don't have that talent.
What year is it?
It's a 21.
21.
Yep.
Great job.
Very
Thank
nice.
you.
Airbrushed by Daytona.
Yep.
There you go.
Yep.
Love it. Beautiful.
Have a good day.
You too. We are at Crabby Joe's on the pier in Daytona Beach.
Yep.
What kind of sweet tea?
Yes, me too.
And how is your burgers here?
They're really good.
Your burgers are fries.
Yeah, they're very good.
That's why. Yeah, I'm gonna have a Crabby famous burger with French fries.
All right. Do you want it the Crabby style or just the way it's
Yeah, whatever's the best.
All right.
Picture worthy, so I can take a picture and post it. I had a hamburger and some French fries, just like my shirt has, and Randy had some wings. If you're driving down the beach, it's a good place. Grab you a bite, grab you some surf and turf. Nice ride. Tell me about your Jeep. 2020
Jeep Gladiator.
Jeep
Love it.
Gladiator. Loving it. How long you been Jeeping?
20 years.
20 years. That's good. Well,
No motor
That's-
vehicles beyond that point.
nothing else beyond there.
We can ask them right here.
Let me ask him. Is there a place further on down where you can get back on the beach and drive? Or is this it?
No, you can go on down about 4.5 miles to Beach Street, and then you got about a mile and a half you can drive on there.
Just a mile and a half, and it's probably dead end because it's
Yeah,
down there by the
jetty,
inlet.
jetty.
Okay.
Okay.
To the jetty.
Well, that's it. Daytona Beach. Driving on the beach. And what a beautiful day it is to be driving on the beach. I hope y'all enjoyed your ride. I'm Matt,
And I'm Randy.
and this has been a real Florida Jeep ride. We'll see you on the next ride.
So Matthew is opening up his
Swag bag.
swag bag.
I got a swag bag. Swag bag.
That's my sweetheart.
Swag bag with a hat, a mask, I'm okay bracelet, which means I'm approachable. I love Daytona Beach. Literature, stuff to do.
Should have been a Jeep, huh? But I guess.
Nice hat.
We are right across the street from the Speedway.